Hello everyone, in this video we'll be learning how to install Hive. I am using the version 3.1.2. So first of all, let's get started. So I have already installed this Apache Hive 3.1.2 from this site, which I'll show you here. Okay, from here I have installed. You just need to download that and then extract in this home directory. Then now what we'll do is we'll edit this bash rc file where we'll specify this hive home, hive configuration directory path, and this class paths of this. We need to add all of these and then save it and close it. Now we need to source that bash rc file. So sorry. Source bash rc. Then what you have to do is copy this copy hive env.sh template file and rename it to hive env.sh and open it, and then you need to add up this Hadoop home, the directory where the Hadoop home is there. Then what you do is similarly copy hive default xml template to hive site xml by renaming it. Now open that and make some changes. So here what we'll be doing is we need to search hive dot exec dot scratch directory. Just a second. So where we'll be changing this value temp and specifying that user dot name. So this needs to be changed. And now in this hive.downloaded.resources directory, you need to make this change as temp hive user dot name. And also in this hive.scratch directory, you need to in that permission that it will be 700. You need to change it to 733. So these three changes needs to be made. And also we have this you can type this transactional where in this line number 3000 something. So here as we have this ensure commands with override here, after this for we will be having some special characters. You need to remove that or else it will throw an error. So you remove that and then you save it. I've already done that, so I'm not doing it again. So now what we'll do is we'll go to the terminal and start the Hadoop daemons. Start all.sh. My Hadoop daemons are already running. I'll check it using JPS. So as you can see, all of these are running. I'll not start it again. Now what you'll do is you'll create a directory in this HDFS. I'll show you. I have created a user hive data warehouse. So this is one file, one item which is present inside this user hive, that is the warehouse. So you can simply create, before doing this you can simply create a directory named as user hive warehouse. This I have already done it. You can do this using this command. And then what you can do is check user hive directory by using this command -ls user hive warehouse. So this will show us as you can see we have this employee DB database already created by me, and also these permissions. Now what you can do is give the permissions using this ch mode g plus w for this user hive warehouse, and hit enter. I have already done this too. You can also give permissions for this temp, which is in this hdfs tmp. So you can hit enter, it gives this permissions. So now what we do is now set up this metadata db by running this following command: schema tool db type thereby init schema. You'll run it. I've already done that. Now what we'll do is we'll run this hive to see if this is running. You should also make sure that you have this Hadoop daemons running already. So it's taking a little time. So as you can see, now you can run your queries if you have already created a table, you can show it. I am doing this show databases. So we have this default and this employee table, employee databases. These two databases, the one is default and this employee already present. So now we'll exit from this. Now what we'll do is, so now I'll close all this, minimize it. Now what I will do is we'll set up the Hive UI. So for setting up that, we need to have some we need to first run this command: hive hyphen service metastore service metastore. So it's running. After this, you need to make sure that you copy this mysql jar file into this hive library. So we'll go and search that. I'll search mysql connector jar file. You need to make sure you copy this mysql jar file into this hive library. Copy this and go to this apache hive in the library. Here you need to paste it. I have already done this. As you can see here, mysql connector jar. So then the next is this: go to this core site xml in this Hadoop directory. Here so it's not here, okay, it's in this etc. Here go to this core site xml and make some changes by adding these two properties over here, localhost 9000, and here you need to specify the username. I've given as this. You need to add these two properties, save it and then close it. After that, go to this hive directory, hive, and then go to this hive site xml file, open this, and now you can search for hive.server2 active passive ha enable. Okay, this is the one. Here the value is true, which I have changed now. Previously it was false. You need to make it true. So the next one will be you can search for hive.metastore.eventdb notification API. Okay, so it's not db, it's event.db. So just a second. event.db. Okay, as you see here, it's false, which I've changed. Previously it was true. I need to change that from true to false, or else it will throw us the error. So next we'll search for this hive thrift, hive dot server 2 dot thrift dot bind dot host. So here we'll give it as the host name as localhost, and then this we'll add up this property where we'll specify the port as 10,000. We'll change it to localhost, and then add this property over here. So this property has been added. We'll save it and close it. Now we'll start all our Hadoop daemons. So first of all, I'll clear it, and now I've already started all these Hadoop daemons. So now I'll be running this. I'll be starting this Hive server 2. So as you can see the session ID, Hive session ID. So if in case you get an accessing error, you can delete the .lck file in this metastore db if it's throwing error. So now here beeline, in a separate terminal, open it and run this beeline, and you need to specify all these password and username, everything. Oh, it's giving an error. Let me check. So I've restarted this, and now let me check this localhost 1002. So as you can see, active sessions, the queries whichever you write, all of these can be seen over here. So it's so by this the Hive UI is set up. So now we'll go and run this beeline in a separate terminal. So enter it. So now connect the JDBC. We specify this localhost and as 10,000, username as your username, and here password I'm giving it blank. So as you can see, this it is connected to this Apache Hive. So now what you do is you can run your queries over here, like you can show databases, hit enter. So as you can see, this default and employee, these two databases which are present is shown over here. So you can see this databases name. So now what we'll do is we'll refresh this localhost 1002. Just a second, let me refresh it again. So here as you can see the query, which we have run here, you can see it over here, and the show databases query has been run. It's finished and open to all of these details can be seen over here. So the total number of queries run is 1. So that is how. So now what we'll do is we'll exit from here. Okay, just a mistake. Okay, you just can exit from this beeline and minimize this terminal. Now what we'll be doing is we'll be connecting this Hive server to using this pyhive. For this we need to install few things. I'll show you it here. So it's first we'll install this pip install. For installing this pyhive, before that we'll be like installing thrift I have already performed all of these installations. You just need to type the command like pip install thrift. It will install this thrift, and then you'll need to install this SASL. In case if you get any error installing that, you need to make some changes by like installing the dependencies. So I'm installing this thrift SASL. uh, I've already done that. You can install by using this command. Then you can install this pip install pyhive. Once the above packages are installed, you can go ahead by installing this pyhive using this pip. So for fixing this SSL error, you need to install this lib SSL2 dev module to get rid of these errors by running this command sudo apt-get install lib SSL2 dev. You can solve that error, and then what you have to do is you can again do this pip install SSL. So now open the VS Code from pyhive, import this hive, then import this pandas. We'll provide a connection. We give this port number and this host and this database. Here I'm using this default because I've not created any table over here over there. So I'll just run a simple query, that is show databases. As you can see, pd.read SQL show databases. So the default and this employee data and databases are present, which is shown. That means we have connected server to Hive server 2 successfully. That's all for this video. Thank